Well guys, look at that. There is no tub there. And of course, we didn't get any footage of that. That was Casey, the animal man here, and me, and we came up with a plan. This is the first time we have ever got one of these tubs out of a house in one piece. We usually have to break them up to get them out, but we brought a 4-wheel dolly and we got a little strap there, and we winched that sucker down on there, and then we just snaked it in and out of our open floor plan that we have here, and now we're to the back door. So we've got like a 3, almost 4 foot maybe drop down there on the stairs, and we're afraid that we can't get it down there without letting it fall, just the 2 of us, because like I said, that thing probably weighs 500 pounds. So we're gonna wait for Desmond, and when Desmond gets here, he'll be the last thing that we need in order to put some manpower on this and get it down there, hopefully in one piece without breaking the concrete floor or anybody. Okay, we've got Casey and Desmond in the garage, and they have rigged up some kind of a death trap thing here for us to see if we can somehow support the tub and not let it fall on anybody and not crash down and break the concrete in the garage. So we're just gonna push it out there and see what happens. I'm proud to say nobody died in the making of this video today. It was sketchy for a while. Look what the guys found, another cast iron tub. That's number 2, and that's the last one. Thank goodness, those things are so heavy. The only neat thing about this one is it was a little bit easier to get out, but it's closer to the exit door, right there. The other one we had to bring clear across the house and pull it down that makeshift ramp that we had. And this one should be a lot easier to get out, but that's a job for tomorrow when we've got 3 guys here. Well, we are narrowing down the demo process, at least the heavy demo, and by the end of the day today, we'll have all of the heavy demo done. That means ripping out all the big stuff, and we'll be able to start on light demo, which is removing all the little pieces of sheetrock that still remain and the nails. Got a little bit around where this tub here that needs to come out, so I'm gonna hit that now real quick. Hopefully real quick. So for those of you that may not know, this is a Sawzall. A Sawzall is one of the most important tools that you can own if you're doing any type of demo work. This thing can get in and cut stuff out. It's a monster. It's got a rough cut blade on it. Can cut nails if you get the right blades, bimetal blades, and you can get in and cut around things. I'm gonna use it right now because we're doing something that's not really smart. Surprise. But you really shouldn't work on electric that is energized, that's live. And we are, because we need to use electricity, like to run this saw. This saw is gonna allow me to get in and cut a couple places and get some wood out without tearing or breaking the electrical lines. So bring it over and show you guys. So right here, we need to take this stud out. This wall's going away. But if you'll notice, there's this electricity that runs through it. So if you're real careful, you can cut right through here and you can get this free, and there's another 2x4 right behind it. So we will see how we do. See, got electricity working with live stuff. So I'm just gonna come in here, hold this back as far as I can. Now we can get in here and break the rest of this out. Sometimes stuff doesn't work out like you planned. I was gonna try and not cut this 2x4 completely in half, but it's just easier just to cut it. See, now I broke it. Now this is free and I've not disrupted my electrical. I've got one more on the other side to do, which is right here, and then I can take this part and just set it aside. And if you have a sharp blade on your Sawzall, that helps as well. That should do it. Now I'm glad that we're doing all this. Here's something interesting now. I did not cut that wire with the Sawzall, but look what you find when you get in here. Look at that electrical wire right there. See that? Somebody did a really bad thing when they installed all this electricity. That could cause a fire, and you never know that stuff. It's just all covered up, and one day your house burns down and you don't know why. Well, that's another reason why when we tear these things down, we tear them down to the studs, and we make sure that everything is all new and good. Go through inspections. We got a nice, wonderful house, safe to live in, and you don't have to worry.